Welcome to Touch Technology Review. Today, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the BlueAnt X3i 30-watt portable Bluetooth speaker. Let's go ahead and unbox it and take a look at what's included with the product. Then we'll move on to the specs and demonstration of the audio. So be sure to keep watching until the end of the video. Let's take a look at the accessories first. There's an AC adapter with regional fitting, which will vary in appearance depending on where you purchase. This is the localized Australian fitting that I have with my unit. There's a USB-C cable and a detailed instruction manual, which includes a QR code that will take you to the product detail page on the BlueAnt website. So this is the speaker after unboxing. The patented shimmer weave fabric has a nice look and feel about it. A plastic emblem with the BlueAnt logo at the front. All of the controls are accessible from the top. There's a large plus/minus button, fast click to increase and decrease volume, and press and hold to advance the tracks. There's a play button and pause button in the middle, power on one end, and a bass boost button on the other. On the back of the unit, there's a rubber sealed compartment where you can access the ports. You get a USB-C port for charging. There's a USB-A port which you can use to charge your devices such as iPhones, iPads, or any device that can charge via USB, and a 3.5 auxiliary input if you prefer to connect your devices or computer via cable rather than using the provided Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. At the base of the unit, there's a solid rubber stand, which kind of reminds me of the infinity symbol, and there are two etched X logos in the surface of the rubber. This should provide a very stable, non-slip base on just about any surface.
Bluetooth. Connected.
Hey, you know them being locked in, being loaded. Hometown, I'm heroic. Kid has been told. Yeah, in the city. Back then wasn't with me.
Bass boost.
Hey, you know it. Locked in, being loaded. Hometown, I'm heroic. The kid has been told. Yeah, in the city. Back then wasn't with me.
I be that free, fun, funny, sexy, sweet kind of honey. Way that she shines, boys try to make a beat line, they want it. I know.
Hey, you know it. Locked in, being loaded. Hometown, I'm heroic. The kid has been cold. Yeah, in the city. Back then wasn't with me.
I be that free, fun, funny, sexy, sweet kind of honey. Way that she shines, boys try to make a beat line, they want it. I know.
What you just listened to was an audio sample recorded through my Zoom H1 handy recorder. So obviously it doesn't really represent how these will sound in real life in indoor or outdoor environments. But what I can tell you is the audio on the BlueAnt X3i is exceptionally clear and true to life, delivering a powerful bass, crystal clear high frequencies, and no noticeable distortion, even when maxed out to 100% volume. Now, when compared to the JBL Charge 5, I would say the BlueAnt produces a very similar sound, which doesn't surprise me either, given that they're based on the same industrial design and they come from top-tier manufacturers. Now, the BlueAnt X3i is a little bit more expensive, retailing at $249 Australian, compared to the JBL that is sub $200 right now. But for the extra money, you do get the bass boost feature, You get slightly louder audio and the 3.5 auxiliary input if you purchase the BlueAnt X3i speaker. So hopefully that's given you a bit of an insight into the product. If you have any more comments or questions, drop them in the comments box below. Certainly, if you'd like more detailed product information or would like to pick one of these units up, I'll leave a link to where you can purchase down below as well. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye for now.